Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the idea of sequencing. Sequencing, again, this isn't new to you. So what we're going to show you is a couple of ways that you can organize your thinking, and then we're going to refer to page 82 where there are the sample paragraphs there for you to use as you write your own paragraph, which is what you will be turning in. So sequencing, if you take a look at page 82, means to tell something in order. So you may be telling in steps, you may be using, a lot of you have written the first, next, then last paragraph, although I encourage you not to necessarily do them that way because they can start to get a little redundant or sound the same. To brainstorm sequencing, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Since you are telling things in order, you can do a numbered list. This does not mean that for a paragraph purpose, as you are required to do for this project, that you will submit that in 1, 2, 3, 4 fashion, although there are other times that you will do that as a final copy. What I want for you to do is it helps you to think about the order that elements went in. Some people like to do the same thing, but they like to use boxes, and they will put the things in order like this. 1, 2, 3 that way. And that's really about it. So as you start to take a look at your ancient Egypt, your Hinduism, and your Buddhism notes, remember those are the 3 that you're focusing on. You may mention Mesopotamia in one of them, but we've already assessed some of your knowledge in Mesopotamia. So as you look at ancient Egypt, Hinduism, or Buddhism, take a look for something that happened in order. First this happened, next this happened. Okay, you should be able to kind of use that language, although we'll try to up the ante just a little bit in the writing. Once you have completed the brainstorming part, you are going to go to page 82 at the bottom, You are going to choose, are you going to tell something in steps, like a recipe or the way that things went, or right here, this one may actually work the best as you work through this process. This one's probably more of a newer way to write sequencing elements or something in chronological order, that you can say, in Mesopotamia or in this year, blank happened, they finally got irrigation. Prior to that, they blank. After that, blank. You'll be able to use that. And again, here is your sample paragraph, and you see the language there. You got in this area, before that this was happening, after that this happened, and then here is what that led to. So there's a bit of cause and effect in there as well. But what this does is it kind of proves the significance or importance of what it is that you chose, rather than just telling me or us that first this, then this, next this, last this. I feel like this is a little bit more simplistic. The telling about it in the time order is a little bit more complex. So I encourage you to do the tell in time order. Remember that we are grading you for the basics in grammar and punctuation as you go through your process, but we are not out to get you. So make sure certain words are capitalized and that you have punctuation at the end of your paragraphs. See you later.